Thank you for checking out The Fullest Life. This is a walking tour of the Lucas de Galvez market taken with a GoPro attached to my ball cap. It was taken during our first trip to Mexico as a married couple in December of 2017. Wow, that feels like a lifetime ago. We were overwhelmed by the hustle and bustle of this market, and it definitely shows. So please enjoy this walking tour of the market with us, and be sure to like and subscribe. We are babes in the woods here. We had never seen anything like this market, and we weren't prepared for its scope and scale. There is no directory or map, so you just have to make a decision and go with it.
Okay, if you guys at home see anybody staring at you, it's because I'm wearing a camera on my head. He's goofy green.
We could not believe the size of the Yucatecan avocados. They are gigantic. We were also overwhelmed by the abundance of habaneros that proliferate in this part of Mexico.
Or you want to look around for a little bit? Want to get deep in the heart of the market. I'm an inside trader.
This is where I quickly found out that you should go to the bathroom before leaving your hotel. Bathrooms are not abundantly available, and they are never free or especially hygienic. Think porta potties, but way worse. Here we go, looking for a bathroom, and instead, we end up in a supermarket. In a future video, we will show you the best and cleanest places to use the restroom. When we filmed this footage at the end of 2017, the exchange rate was approximately 19 pesos to $1 US.
Huh? Oh, yeah.
Be comfortable with being uncomfortable. This market is crowded, tight, and you are always in someone's way. It's like a New York subway, with nicer people and less urine.
Look at the banana. That's so cute. Crank up a few degrees here.
Here is a pro tip. Do not attempt to bring back fresh produce to the United States. It will be confiscated at customs, and you will come home empty-handed.
Oh, your dad did you? Yeah. peppers too. Okay, whichever way. You want to go left or you want to go right? Go left. We're going to get lost here in a minute. Oh, baños, baños. Later.
Jackpot! We found the bathrooms.
Yeah. Okay, let's do it. Hopefully we're recording. I'm just trusting it. Oh, birds. Babe. We got it. Can we go straight ahead? Babe, can I? Thank you. There's no reason to be scared. I won't make you.
After a quick bathroom break, I spotted birds right next to a restaurant and I had to check it out. My wife isn't a fan of animals, so she didn't last long in this area.
Oh, cute bunnies. Look at the bunnies. So cute. So cute. Don't get take it. Okay, sounds good. Sorry.
I found my wife and vibrant colors ahead. Onward as we continue this trek through the largest market in Merida.
Very kind of sad. I mean, just different culture, different way of doing things. Yeah. No, that's okay. It's okay. Just a different way of doing things. Everybody has their ways. Oh, look at the, is this like a salad mix? Oh, would that be good or no? Or, yeah, you want it, you want to try it? Does it look good to you? Okay. Cinco.
Janice is buying some ingredients for tacos later that evening.
25.
We decided to stay in an Airbnb in the suburbs, which was a mistake we corrected in subsequent trips. Never stay outside of Centro. Remember to take your time when it comes to figuring out currency. Never feel pressured. Always take your time. If you are feeling pressured, simply walk away. There is always another stall down the way.
Oh, you want me to just shove it in my backpack? Would it be easier? Ease of use? Okay. Okay.
This really caught us off guard. In the United States, we're not used to having armed police or military walking through a market. I guess this is why Merida is the safest city in Mexico and one of the safest in all of North America. You will constantly be approached by people in Mexico asking for your business. They are used to hearing the word no, so don't feel bad about saying a friendly no and moving along.
Oh, theirs has like other stuff in it. That's okay. Yeah. Mango, y habanero.
By this time, we had been in the market for over 30 minutes, and it was still very overwhelming. I was starting to get hungry, and we were definitely hot and sweaty. Hopefully, we can make a decision on a place to eat and drink soon.
The problem with these places, you can walk around and find the next best thing, you know? 25 cents. Horchata sounds kind of good. You tired or overwhelmed or? Yeah, there's a lot going on. Hardware. Oh, there's that other market we saw. Wasn't Martha Stewart at that one? No, I think she was at that one. That one's good. Do you want to continue up the other side? Are you thirsty? Okay, then let's stop. And the police are finally leaving, so. You see massive. They are no joke when they roll through. They're like 20 feet.
After some fresh air and being accosted by a scammy individual, we continued our adventure. If anyone comes up to you speaking perfect English and making small talk about where you are from, turn around. They are not your friend. We will have some specific do's and don'ts of Merida coming soon. There's shoes over there. You want some food? Finally, a place to eat that has some seating. This might be our ticket to a good meal and some cold beverages. Our limited knowledge of Spanish and Mexican cuisine is making this more difficult than it has to be, but we're learning to be comfortable with being uncomfortable.
What's that? Oh, you want to split it? Try it out? Do we want something else too? Oh, chili rellenos. That's what I'm getting to, chili right now. Okay, yeah. Oh, I'll try that then. So, you're ordering from here. Could I get the cochinita cabbage? Yeah, are we gonna get two? Okay, well, if we're doing one, then let's do hot chocolate. If they have like a Coke or something. They might. Or are we going to sit down and eat? What did you say? Oh yeah. Oh, that sounds good. Oh, here, just stand up here. For sure. I don't know. Hola.
With the help of the picture menu, we are able to break the language barrier and place our order. As you can tell from this shot, the market and Merida are hot even in December. If you don't like the heat, this might not be the ideal vacation for you.
You want to do torta or you want to do taco? Taco. Yeah, sorry. See, yeah. Oh, you want pina colada? I think you got something different. Okay. Oh, horchata? Yeah. Dos. Oh, is this the is that the oh same okay see. Okay, thank you, Jeffrey. Alright, let's here, you want me to sit? Sure, I'll sit. Go this way. No, that's fine. Oops, sorry.
Looking back at this video, we have no clue what we ordered. If you have any guesses, please leave them in the comments. Once again, please be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on The Fullest Life.